Welcome back to Cozymeal Studios. I'm G, and I hope you're ready for a delicious treat today because we're making pretzel dogs. These soft, chewy pretzels wrapped around juicy hot dogs are the perfect snack or meal for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, looking for a fun family activity, or just craving a tasty treat, this recipe is going to hit the spot. So let's roll up our sleeves, preheat the oven, and get cooking. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more recipes from us. Let's get started by adding flour, instant yeast, brown sugar, and salt in a large bowl, and whisk together until combined. Then add your wet ingredients, filtered water, and milk. Mix until a loose dough forms. Knead the dough for about 3 minutes. Once the dough is kneaded, add melted butter to the dough and knead for an additional 5 minutes. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let rest for 8 minutes. Remove the kitchen towel and knead for an additional 6 to 8 minutes or until a smooth and elastic dough forms. If the dough is still loose and sticks to the bowl, add up to another half cup of flour. Cover the bowl and let the dough rise until it has doubled in size, which should take about 45 to 60 minutes. Once the dough has risen, preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and line a sheet pan with either parchment paper or a silicone mat. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces and roll each piece of dough into a long rope. Carefully wrap each piece around a hot dog and pinch the ends together to seal the dough. In a large pot, bring water and baking soda to a boil. Boil the pretzel dogs one at a time for about 15 seconds on each side. Remove from the water with a slotted spoon and drain completely before placing it on the prepared sheet pan. Whisk 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water to form an egg wash. Brush the dough thoroughly with the egg wash and sprinkle with salt. Bake until golden brown, rotating the pan halfway, which should take about 12 to 15 minutes. Remove from the oven and brush the bread generously with melted butter. Let cool and enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for more Cozymeal recipes, be sure to check out our other videos. See you again soon.